Okay, mate, Zill here. So when you completely zoom out on Zill, it's pretty clear to see that there is, a giant rounding pattern. This is usually very bullish, and a, a lot of times you can, I don't know what I'm trying to draw there, but a lot of times you can have a consolidation period here before moving higher. So we just kind of need to be aware of that. It's probably less unlikely that we just move from here, right? We did move from here, right? This is where we broke out. It's pretty unlikely that we move from here and continue straight through. It's more likely that we get some sort of consolidation here before getting that next leg. Can we just keep going straight through? I mean, it is crypto after all. Who knows? Sometimes these things just keep going and going and going. But what I'm trying to get at is the overall structure is bullish. The entire structure is bullish. I'll flip out here and look to the weekly. I mean, you can see you need to take this at a week at a time at this point. Um, we are red on a week. I wouldn't be buying it now. I mean, there's no point catching a knife. If this is going to move up here to 40 cent and 50 cent, 60 cent, it is here at 20 cent, but do you really want to catch a knife here and then it drops down another one, another week to the downside down to 15 cent, for example? There is a new 2 week candle in 4 days time. If it was me looking to buy this, I would be trading that. If it flips green, if it flips green, definitely can get long and see if this strength continues to the upside. If it is red, then I would wait. I would let it drop and then look to accumulate lower because this entire structure is bullish and this is telling us that it should at some point continue to the upside.